In this video, we'll show you how you can resize and pad the subject in your images on Caimera for a uniform look that's needed for e-commerce listings. To get started, head to the homepage and click the button labeled Resize and Pad Images. Here, you'll find two modes. Let's begin with the Pad Object mode. The padding adds space around the existing content of an image without altering the original image size. Enter the padding values in pixels for each side: top, bottom, left, and right. If you want padding on just 3 sides, simply enter 0 for the side you want untouched. You can also customize the background color using HEX codes, RGB, or HSL values. When you're ready, click Shoot to apply your changes. Your updated images will appear in the History panel on the right. Download them using the Download button. That's it. Simple, flexible, and designed to keep your images looking consistent. With Caimera's Resize Image and Pad Object mode, you can control object alignment and choose where your subject sits in the images. Choose horizontal and vertical alignment from the drop-down menus to position your subject. Define the padding in pixels or percentage for each side: top, bottom, left, and right. The default background color has been set to a clean white background, but you can customize it different values. When everything looks good, click Shoot to apply your settings. Your resized images will appear in the History panel on the right. Download them instantly with a single click.